West.
And our cool stretch of weather continues. Yes, today was another cool April-like day here for late May. Here was the sunrise this morning, captured by Warren Fault there in Augusta County between the deck of clouds. Now, the clouds did thin out a bit more as the day unfolded, and we've certainly had those breezy conditions. Of course, it is Memorial Day weekend. Don't forget that freedom is certainly not free. Margaret Johnson capturing that shot at one of the federal cemeteries. Let's take a look at our current numbers. Only made it to a high of 68 today. 63 is our current reading. 62 right now in Madison. We're 62 in Dillon, 59 in Waynesboro, and 58 currently in Harrisonburg. Those winds are still gusting over 20, over 30 miles an hour. Wind speeds do back down tonight, but we'll still have a breeze tomorrow, just not quite as gusty or as strong as the last couple of days. Take a look at the satellite radar combination. You can see more clouds have rolled back in. We'll average partly cloudy skies here tonight. Most of the showers are well to our north, and yeah, another chilly overnight. These numbers are more like April, certainly not like May, but more widespread 40s, at least some mid to upper 40s across central Virginia, some low to middle 40s in the Shenandoah Valley. Temperatures tomorrow, we should see more widespread 70s, at least some low to mid 70s. That's still below average, but a pleasant day. Yes, a breeze, but not quite as strong as most recent days here for Thursday and Friday. And generally, again, 15, 20 miles an hour or so. So the Memorial Day weekend, we've got 70s here for Saturday. We'll have sun giving way to more clouds here on Sunday with daytime highs back in the low to mid 70s. Again, as we get into Sunday night, there may be a few showers. Memorial Day on Monday is trending a little drier during the day with, again, the better chance of rain arriving late Monday night or Tuesday as we look at things right now. And as we take a look at our best opportunity for rain next week, kind of centered on Tuesday and Wednesday, and temperatures will likely hold in the cool 60s during that stretch as well. So we're still under the influence of a big area of low pressure, actually two, a nor'easter that is continuing to work up through the Gulf of Maine, and then there's a weakening upper low across and north of Lake Ontario, and you can see that big, broad counterclockwise circulation. So that's influencing our weather, not only with the wind, the cloud cover, and of course most of the showers today farther off to our north. But once that begins to edge and move a little farther north and east, we'll have high pressure build in, so the wind speeds will begin to come down a bit. But you can see the cooler air, lots of 50s and 60s from the Ohio Valley, the mid-Atlantic up into the northeast, with that warmer air well to our south. So we'll start tomorrow morning in the chilly 40s, but a nice afternoon, still a breeze, low in mid 70s. As we move into Sunday morning, we'll have widespread 40s, and then Sunday afternoon, sunshine to start, more clouds during the afternoon. Temperatures will top out in the low and mid 70s. Tonight then, we're back in the 40s, partly cloudy and chilly. Again, more like April as opposed to May. Temperatures are going to remain below average through the stretch into next week, with the better chance of rain arriving Tuesday and Wednesday, and maybe by Friday, a week from now, temperatures nearing 80 degrees, which would be a little bit more seasonable.
All right, Eric, thank you.
And a check of your